In this video, I will be teaching you how to integrate Callrail with Forefront. Now, integrating Callrail to Forefront has a lot of benefits. It allows you to send text, emails, make calls, and those calls will also be logged within Forefront. So for us to start, make sure you're logged inside your Callrail, and then, of course, your Forefront account. So I'm just going to go back to the pipeline here, so it will look like how you use it every day. I'm going to go back to Callrail, and then I will be clicking on my account right here. Click on my profile, look for security where it says API keys, and then from there I'm going to go back to Forefront, click on settings, look for integrations. In here you will find the last section where it says Callrail. So this is where we need to put the API key that we're going to get within Callrail. It pretty much helps the connection of the two together. We just need to generate it within Callrail. So let's go back to Callrail. Inside Callrail, you'll find at the top right here, create API v3 key. Click that button. So since we have a lot of things in here, I'm going to have to scroll down. But if yours is just new, it'll be right here on the top. So I'm going to scroll down. This key will only be accessible for 15 minutes. Go back to Forefront. Paste it right here. Connect Callrail. Now it's going to be a drop down right here where you can select the correct account. So I just have one right here, Freedom Driven LLC. Connect account. And another drop down will be for the Callrail company. You may have multiple companies within your Callrail account. Select the correct one you wish to integrate. So we just have one in our Callrail account. And I'm going to click on Connect to Company. Now once that's done, you will see all the numbers within that specific Callrail company you just integrated. I'm just going to click on Resync Numbers to make sure the connection is good. And then we're nearing the end of the process. We just have to copy this webhooks right here over to Callrail. So let's go back to Callrail, scroll up for me, close this pop-up right here, click on settings, and then inside this section, look for something that says webhooks. Click that. Now yours might say inactive, or it won't say active right here. That's completely fine. This is because we are already using this account for our testing purposes. So let's go back to Forefront, and then we're going to copy and paste everything right here. So it's quite easy. Everything is labeled accordingly, so it won't be confusing. Just follow as I do. Click this button right here to copy. Go to Callrail, add another URL, paste it. Next is post call. Copy that, and add another URL, paste it. So the process is the same thing for every single webhook here. I'm just going to finish it up, paste it, scroll down, add another URL, text message sent, and then finally, of course, text message received. Add another URL, copy that, paste it here. For you, it might appear as activate or save. Either way, if it's activate, save, or update, it's completely fine. It'll do the same thing. For me, I'm just going to click on update. It's going to bring me over to the screen. We're going to see the status of the integration, which is active. To double check what you did, click on this icon right here. And now we're going to see every single thing we just pasted earlier and updated or saved. So to test this out, let's go back to Forefront. Going to click on Resync Numbers here. I'm going to refresh my entire Forefront as well. Once that's done, I'm going to go back to Pipeline. And let's try to open up one of the leads here. Let's try David. If I go to text, I can finally see the numbers that I have within Callrail in here. So this is where you can pick out what number you want to text or use to text your clients right here, your leads. You can pick out any number you want, and then you can set text message right here. It's going to be the same thing for call. You have the option to pick out what number is going to appear on the lead when you call them. And what's going to happen is when you click on start call, it'll forward it to your cell number, your mobile number, and it's still going to appear to them that you're using a Callrail number, which campaign you're calling them from, which is a very cool feature. Everything you do with Callrail will be logged in here inside text and calls. This is your communication and activity log. So everything that you do with Callrail will appear here. It's going to be a pretty cool feature since you can text, receive text, make calls, and those calls will also be logged in here. Now, if you have any troubles or questions integrating your Callrail account, make sure to send an email to support@forefrontcrm.com. Have a great day.